But imagine the freedom of earning an extra $100 every single day. That's $3,000 a month, enough to cover your rent, car payment, or seriously boost your savings. Too good to be true. Not if you apply the right financial strategies. This isn't about lottery tickets. It's about discipline and leveraging the power of finance. Today, I'm breaking down 3 realistic paths to that $100 daily goal, ranging from passive investing to high-income skills. Let's start building that income stream. Our first path is the ultimate passive strategy, generating income from a large investment portfolio. This is the long game. The math is pretty straightforward. To earn $100 per day, you need $36,500 annually. If your safe investment portfolio, filled with things like high-quality dividend stocks or bond ETFs, yields an average of 4%, you would need a principal of approximately $912,500. Now, the reality check. Most people don't start with nearly $1 million just sitting around. So, how do you get there? First, compounding. You need to reinvest every single dividend or interest payment. This is what allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Second, make consistent contributions. Use methods like dollar cost averaging or DCA, where you set aside a fixed amount every month, regardless of what the market is doing. And third, diversification. Use income-focused ETFs or exchange-traded funds to instantly diversify your money across dozens or even hundreds of different income-producing assets. To sum it up, this path is slow and relatively low risk if you do it right. It eventually provides a truly passive $100 a day. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Our second path offers a much faster way to hit that $100 day target, but it requires active work, monetizing your financial skills. If you have an understanding of finance, budgeting, or business analysis, you can offer highly paid services. For example, financial content creation. Writing detailed articles or scripts for other financial channels or blogs can easily net you $100 to $300 for a single high-quality piece. Or you could become a virtual bookkeeping or budgeting coach, helping small businesses or individuals manage their monthly finances. Another option is data analysis, creating and interpreting financial models or complex spreadsheets for companies. The strategy here isn't to work 8 hours for $100. It's to find a high-value service that you can complete in just 2 to 3 hours. For instance, land one recurring client who pays you $50 for an hour and a half of work, and another who pays $60 for a quick consultation. That's your $100 target achieved, and you still have most of your day left. This path leverages your brain, not your capital. It's fast, scalable, and requires zero initial investment besides your time. This third path is the highest risk, highest reward option, and I have to be clear, it is not for beginners. We're talking about strategic options trading. A quick disclaimer: options trading involves significant risk and the potential for a complete loss of capital. Education is non-negotiable before you even think about attempting this. The goal here is to generate a small, consistent return on your trading capital. If you have a trading account of, say, $10,000, earning $100 a day is a 1% return. This is very difficult but achievable for skilled, disciplined traders. So, what are the strategies for consistency? Well, you could look into selling cash-secured puts. This means selling the right to buy a stock you already like at a lower price, and you collect premium income immediately. Another common strategy is selling covered calls, where you sell the right for someone to buy a stock you already own at a higher price, generating income on your existing holdings. These are not get-rich-quick trades. They are defined high-probability income strategies. Risk management is everything. Never trade without a strict stop-loss and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total portfolio on any single trade. This is a financial profession, not a gamble. So there you have it, 3 proven paths to reach your $100-day financial goal. First, portfolio income. Start saving and compounding today. Second, financial freelancing. Start monetizing your expertise this week. And third, options trading. Start educating yourself before you invest a single dollar. The most successful people often pursue a combination of these strategies. They freelance to build capital, and then they invest that capital passively. Now, a question for you. Which of these 3 strategies are you going to start with this month? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more realistic financial planning and investing tips. See you in the next video.